What's happening, YouTubers? Ghost Bikes today. Bought a helmet, LS2 helmet, with my friends Roman and Tahia. I thought I'll show you the Ghost Bikes Motorbike showroom. We've got all the accessories here, all your gear, your jackets, commando camo pants, helmets, gloves, all your winter gear, everything you want, all in one house. They've got a nice coffee bar as well. You can grab yourself a coffee. You know I like my coffee. Okay guys, so you've got the top boxes for your motorbikes. Okay. You wanna be on YouTube, guys? You wanna say hello?
I don't do videos.
Yeah? You be famous? Go on guys. Where's the fun? Come on, where's the spirit? Camera shy, these guys. Alright, let's go upstairs. Let's do a quick video upstairs, show you the helmet section. As you come upstairs, you can see the helmets. Yeah, so these are all the helmets at Ghost Bikes. As you can see, you've got HJC, showy helmets. You've got Agrius, Shocks helmets, LS2s, okay, Shark, got Bell helmets, off-road dirt bike helmets. You got kids stuff as well, kids motorbike gear. So like your off-road helmets, these are nice. Alright guys, it's a quick vlog. I haven't got much time, so I hope I'm not going too fast with the camera. So just check it out. Got all your boots, CD boots, got CD, Alpine Star, got full race outfits, you got accessories, handlebar grips. Yeah, beautiful place. One stop pit stop for all your bike gear. We got some bikers over here hanging around. What are they doing there? Okay. And then we've got your TV over here. Coffee bar downstairs. Okay, let's go back downstairs. Finance is also available here by Close Brothers Retail Finance. Terms and conditions apply. Must be over 18. Okay, let's go. Got Knox products. Got Cruiser gloves. Got motorcycle cleaning products. We've got a stand here. Liquid Molly. Bog off deals. Yep. So come on down guys, all you bikers out there, get your gear at Ghost Bikes. You can find them on www.ghostbikes.com. They're based in Preston. Top guys here, really friendly staff. So come on down, grab yourselves a coffee and a fantastic deal on motorcycle clothing, helmets, boots, you name it, they got it. Nothing they don't have. And just look at the place, wow. Got parking space outside, plenty of parking space. It won't get cold because you've got a massive gas burner here as well. That's proper badass. Yeah. Caution, very hot. You got toilets, bathroom. You've got a nice lounge area for you bikers out there. Let me show you something very cool. Let me show you something amazing right now. If you got your jackets, you want to sit down in the lounge. It's got a nice velvety feel over here. Anyway, you open this, you put your jacket in there, and you put your helmet on this soft pad here, like that. Okay, that's so. And yeah, I've got my LS2 helmet here. My mate's bought his CD boots. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all for now. Wrap this one up. Catch you next time. Don't forget to stay tuned. Super tuned. Bye bye.